Hi, how are you doing? This is Analysis by Doing. I'm Manu Vasudevan, Data Analyst and Certified AWS Solutions Architect at your service. Welcome to Analysis by Doing, a series of data analysis sessions in which we do hands-on projects analyzing data using Amazon Web Services. The target audience is aspiring data analysts and AWS Cloud enthusiasts. What good is any knowledge when not put to good use? We will exercise our AWS skills on the terrain of data science. Join us in our data analytics journey in the vehicle of Amazon Web Services. Welcome to this session on survey data analysis. We will review our portfolio website before the survey data analysis project, create a new environment for survey data analysis in our Analysis EC2 instance, download a real-world survey dataset from Stack Overflow on which we will perform the following analyses and visualizations. Read in the dataset, data munging and wrangling, developer profile, which includes the following: key territories, professional experience, developer roles, education levels, demographics, and verify our numbers with Stack Overflow every step of the way. Then, update index.html to publish our survey data analysis project. We will upload the new survey data analysis project file to the S3 portfolio bucket. We will then review our updated portfolio website after the survey data analysis project. Next, we will stop but not terminate the Analysis EC2 instance. Finally, we will perform best practices, review our billing dashboard and budget alarm. To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding cloud analysts. Hit the bell icon below to actively follow along with the rest of our series. Let's access our portfolio website from our personal laptop or desktop. Navigate to aws.com. Click on Sign In on the top right. If Sign In page is shown, choose IAM User, enter Account ID, and click Next. In the Sign In as IAM User page, enter your admin username. Enter the password and click on Sign In. In the AWS console, in the search bar, key in CloudFront and hit Enter. Click on your portfolio website distribution. In the CloudFront distribution page, Details section, click on the copy icon next to the distribution domain name. Open a new browser tab. Paste your portfolio URL in the address bar and hit Enter. In your website, you need to create a link to the Jupyter Notebook that will document your survey data analysis project. We have reviewed our portfolio website from our personal laptop or desktop. Let us create the survey data analysis environment in our Analysis EC2 instance. In the AWS console, in the search bar, key in EC2 and hit Enter. Click on the Regions drop-down on top and select the region running your Analysis EC2. Mine is Ohio. In the left-hand side navigation pane, click on EC2 Dashboard. Click on Instances. Check the Analysis EC2 instance and pull up the Details pane below to review its public IP. Note that the public IP address is blank because the current instance state is stopped. Click the Instance State dropdown. Select Start Instance. Wait and refresh the screen until the status shows 2 out of 2 checks passed. Check the box by the instance and click on the Connect button. In the Connect to Instance page, select the RDP Client tab. Click the Download Remote Desktop File button and save it in the Downloads folder. Click on Get Password button. In the Get Windows Password page, click on Browse to open the previously saved private key file. Select the key pair associated with the instance and click Open. Click on Decrypt Password. Copy the password shown. Open the previously downloaded remote desktop file. To the Do you want to connect anyway question, click on Connect button. In Enter your credentials window, paste the password from your clipboard and click OK. To the Do you want to connect anyway question, click on Yes button. Having RDP'd into the Analysis EC2, click on the Anaconda PowerShell command icon in the taskbar. Note that our current environment, shown in brackets before the current directory, is the default environment called base. Update the package manager Conda to the latest version. Key in Conda update Conda and hit enter. This might take a while, so please be patient. If it asks for permission to install or update software, key in Y and hit enter. Now, let's update all the installed package libraries. Key in Conda update -- all and hit enter. If it asks for permission to update or downgrade packages, key in Y and hit enter. You may have to wait and watch Conda download and install the latest versions of the package libraries. Let's list all the package libraries supplied by Anaconda and available in this base environment. At the command prompt, key in Conda list and hit enter. Check the version of Python in the base environment by typing Python -- version and hit enter. Create new virtual environment for the survey project distinct from the base environment. List the available Conda environments. Key in Conda env list and hit enter. The star mark indicates that base is our current environment. Create a new Conda environment named survey-env with the same Python version as in our base environment. Key in Conda create -- name survey-env Python equals 3.9.12 and hit enter. If it asks for permission to install packages, key in Y and hit enter. Activate the new environment. Key in Conda activate survey-env and hit enter. Note that our current environment name has changed to survey-env as shown before the command prompt. Again, list the available Conda environments. Key in Conda env list and hit enter. Note that survey-env is in the list and is starred as our current active environment. List the packages available in the survey environment. Key in Conda list and hit enter. Note that Python and a bare minimum of packages are installed in the newly created survey environment. In this environment, we will install only those packages that we need for this survey project. Install the latest Jupyter package from the default Conda channel. Key in Conda install Jupyter and hit enter. When prompted for permission to install packages and proceed, key in Y and hit enter. Install the NumPy package. Key in Conda install NumPy and hit enter. Again, key in Y and hit enter. Install the Pandas package. Key in Conda install Pandas and hit enter. Again, key in Y and hit enter. Install the matplotlib package. Key in Conda install matplotlib and hit enter. As usual, key in Y and hit enter. Install the Seaborn package. Key in Conda install Seaborn and hit enter. Just like before, key in Y and hit enter. Install the OpenPixel package. Key in Conda install OpenPixel and hit enter. For one last time, key in Y and hit enter. List the installed packages in our survey environment. Key in conda list and hit enter. Get out of the survey environment, back to base. Key in conda deactivate and hit enter. Note that we return back to the base environment as shown before the command prompt. Close the Anaconda PowerShell command window. Having created the survey data analysis environment in our Analysis EC2 instance, let's visit Stack Overflow to download a real-world dataset. But before we dive into the survey data analysis, let's create a couple of images. Having RDP'd into the Analysis EC2 instance, in the Windows search bar, key in Paint. Select the Paint app. Make it full screen. In the Paint app, choose color purple. Select the rounded rectangle shape. Click on the Size drop-down. Select the thickest sized. Draw a rectangle from the first vertical bar in the menu to the right side of the first color bar. Set the rectangle width to about 1/3 of the length, about 1280 by 500 pixels. Within Tools, click on A for text. Choose color Rose. Click on Fill tool. Click within the rectangle. Within Tools, click on A for text. Choose color dark red. Within the rectangle, draw a text box as big as the rectangle. With the default font Calibri at size 11, key in 7 spaces, Survey Data Analysis, and enter. 3 spaces, and Visualization, enter. And 12 spaces by Minu Vasudevan, which is my name, but you may use yours, and hit enter. Use up arrow key to go to the first text line. Using shift and down arrow keys, select the Survey Data Analysis line. Choose font Impact. Select font size 36. Select the And Visualization line. Choose font Seago Script. Select font size 36. Select the By Your Name line. Choose font Seago Print. Select font size 22. Click outside the rectangle. Click on Select and choose Select All. Click on Crop and close the painted rectangular area. Click on Crop again. Click File, Save As, JPEG Picture. In the Save As File Explorer window, navigate to Folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1. If subfolder Project 6 does not exist, in the right pane, right-click and select New Folder. Name the new folder Project-6 and press Enter. Click on the Project-6 folder. Click on New Folder to create a subfolder. Name the subfolder Images and hit Enter. Double-click on Images. Save the image as sda-title.jpg. Close the Paint app. In the taskbar, click on File Explorer icon. In the left pane, navigate to Folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project 1, Images. Select setup-video.jpg, right-click and copy. In the left pane, select project-6/images. In the right pane, right-click and paste the picture. We will also need a data folder for our project. In the left pane, click on Folder Project-6. On the right pane, right-click. Select New, then Folder. Name the subfolder Data and hit Enter. In the taskbar, click on the Chrome browser icon. Install the Chrome extension to open spreadsheets. In the Google Chrome search bar, key in Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and hit Enter. Click on Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. In Chrome Web Store page, click on Add to Chrome. To the Add Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides pop-up question, click on Add Extension. Close the Turn on Sync pop-up window. Press Alt-Home to return to google.com. Let us download the data files that we will need in our project. In the Google Chrome search bar, key in Stack Overflow Annual Developer Survey and hit Enter. Click on Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2021. Under Stack Overflow Annual Developer Survey 2021, click on Download Full Dataset CSV. In the bottom left, the blue download circle indicates the zip file being downloaded. The blue circle will vanish when the download completes. After the download completes, click on the up arrow next to the file and click on Show in Folder. When File Explorer appears, close the Chrome browser. In File Explorer, right-click on the Stack-Overflow-Developer-Survey-2021.zip file and select Extract All. To select the destination folder, click on Browse. Navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project-6, Data, and click on Select Folder. Uncheck the Show Extracted Files When Complete option. Then click on Extract. In File Explorer, navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project-6, Data. See the 4 downloaded survey data and info files. Note that the PDF file named so_survey_2021.pdf contains the actual questionnaire which was presented to the respondents. The CSV file named survey_results_public.csv contains the survey results data. The CSV file named survey_results_schema.csv contains the schematic information linking the questions asked in the survey with the answer data columns in the survey results dataset. Close File Explorer. We have downloaded a real survey dataset from Stack Overflow. Let's proceed to analyze and visualize the dataset. Click on the Anaconda PowerShell command icon in the taskbar. Note that we are in the base environment as indicated in the left corner of the command prompt. To get into the survey-env environment, enter the command conda activate survey-env and hit Enter. Note the survey-env within parentheses indicating that we are working in this project's environment named survey-env. In the command window, enter the command pwd and press Enter. Note that your present working directory is your home directory. Key in Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. If a pop-up window asks how you'd like to open this file, select Google Chrome and check the box below to always use this app to open .html files. Click OK. The Notebook dashboard opens in our default browser, Chrome. Click on your folder ABD-Portfolio 1. Click on Folder Project-6. Click on the New drop-down in the top right. Select Python 3 for the notebook kernel type. In the menu bar below the notebook name, click on the File drop-down. Click on Save As. In the Save As pop-up window, append the file name survey-data-analysis and click Save. Note that the Untitled file name has been replaced by survey-data-analysis. Click on the plus icon to add plenty of cells. Within the first cell, click in the white space outside the input field. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in, within angle brackets, image src equals, within quotes, images/sda-title.jpg, alt equals survey data analysis within quotes, then hit Alt and Enter. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. We will make the click Launch our environment setup video. In the new cell, click and key in. This code is available in this video's description for you to copy. Then hit Alt and Enter. Click on the image to launch the Environment Setup YouTube video in a new browser tab. In the Video Browser tab, stop the video. In the address bar, key in Wikipedia MIT license and hit Enter. Click on MIT license Wikipedia. Scroll down and copy the license terms to your clipboard. Close the Wikipedia page tab. Back in the Survey Data Analysis document page, click on the white space just outside the input field of the third input cell to make it the current active cell and enter command mode. Press M to make your current cell of type Markdown. Click inside the input field. Paste the license terms from your clipboard. Update the year and copyright holder name. Then press Ctrl and Enter. Press S to save your notebook. Press A to create a new empty cell above the current one. From the View menu drop-down, click on Toggle Header to hide the logo and notebook title above the menu bar to create more screen real estate. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in #Survey Data Analysis. Analyze and visualize the data collected from a survey, the Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2021. We will explore, summarize, and visualize the developer profile information in the surveyed data. This project's Jupyter Notebook can be downloaded for follow-along coding from the project portfolio website below. Click on this project's page and scroll down to the download link at the bottom. This Jupyter Notebook and this video's description has a link to download the Stack Overflow Developer Survey 2021 dataset also. Then hit Alt and Enter. Check the version of Python that we are working on. Key in the code, !Python -- version. Then hit Alt and Enter. Import the NumPy library. Key in the code, import NumPy as np, np.__version underscore underscore. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note the version of NumPy that we are working with. Suppress warning messages from the Pandas library. Key in the code. Import warnings. Warnings.simpleFilter within parentheses action equals ignore, comma category equals user warning. Then hit Alt and Enter. The above lines may be commented out during testing runs so that you don't miss any warnings. Import the Pandas library. Key in the code. Import Pandas as PD. pd.version. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note the version of Pandas that we are working with. Import the matplotlib library. Key in the code. From importlib.metadata, import version. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Version within parentheses and quotes matplotlib. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note the version of matplotlib that we are working with. Import the Seaborn library. Key in the code. Import Seaborn as SNS. SNS.version. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note the version of Seaborn that we are working with. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in 2 hashtags 1 read in the data. Then hit Alt and Enter. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in 2 hashtags data source, 3 hashtags thanks Stack Overflow, 4 hashtags https://insights.stackoverflow.com/survey. Then hit Alt and Enter. Read in the survey data file into a Pandas data frame. Key in the code. Survey_df equals pd.read_csv within parentheses and quotes data/survey_results_public.csv. Survey_df. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note that there are column headings in camel case. But column headings like main branch and years code are not very clear on what data they contain. Let's check out the dimensions of our survey data frame. Key in the code. Survey_df.shape. Then hit Alt and Enter. We have over 80,000 rows and 48 columns. Read in the schema data file into a Pandas data frame. Key in the code. Schema_df equals pd.read_csv within parentheses and quotes data/survey_results_schema.csv schema_df. Then hit Alt and Enter. The schema file contains the schematic information linking the questions asked in the survey with the answer data columns in the survey results dataset. Write the schema data frame to an XLS file. Key in the code. Schema_df.to_excel within parentheses, within quotes, data/survey_results_schema.xlsx, comma index equals none, comma header equals true. Then hit Alt and Enter. Press Ctrl S to save your notebook. To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding cloud analysts. Hit the bell icon below to actively follow along with the rest of our series.